When I was 6 years old, my parents took me to a beautiful lake in south of Sweden, where this nature was fantastic with clear water, trees, clouds, and that was the first time I learned to swim, and that's a memory that sticks with me still until to this day. So joining Northvolt with our sustainability missions will hopefully secure that the next generation can experience the same thing.
Northvolt was founded in 2016 with a mission to develop the greenest batteries in the world, and we will do that in warp speed. That requires a lot from IT. We need business systems that are extremely flexible, adaptable, scalable, but also secure and cost efficient.
2019, we decided to go with Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Supply Chain Management, which is our ERP. That tool will support us from startup to scale up, meaning we needed a system, an ERP system that could support us in the early days with fewer transactions and also have the bandwidth and the capability, the capacity to help us with the volumes that we will come to later these years.
Microsoft helps us a lot in addressing the problems or the issues we need to solve right now. So we created a Microsoft Power App which allows us to track different packages and the contents of those packages of a larger equipment delivery. You need to imagine in such a gigafactory, we are shipping thousands of boxes and we need to know what is in each box. And that tool linked actually to Dynamics helped us to track and trace all these boxes and to have a kind of an inventory management on site.
We're using Dynamics 365 and the Power Apps that help us leverage the integrity of the data and our business processes in our ERP, but also to be innovative, agile, and really data-centric in the Power Platforms.
Our policy within Northvolt is to not customize our business applications. By doing that, we can enable the latest version into Dynamics 365, and where we find the gaps, we utilize the Power Platform to bridge and to close that gap instead of doing customization, because we want to keep the standard intact since Microsoft is heavily investing in these products.
I'm here for the purpose of building the greenest battery, and we have, as supply chain, have a very, let's say, large share in that sense. We need to make sure that our suppliers are also building on sustainable grids, and this is what the entire team is fighting for. We are localizing a lot of suppliers in proximity to our own manufacturing site to make them also produce on renewable and carbon-free grids.
I'm excited to take the next steps in our relationship with Microsoft. There is a lot that we can do together. We have field service, customer relationship, but we have everything related to advanced analytics with AI-enabled services, Copilot. There is a lot that we can do there. And together we can bring a greener future to our children.